seng san hima sima Kongres sa Meghalaya mentagsi kalapan pai ka jingsngo kendit halor ka jingmi kubor balsa sentat ya ka jingkran mobile telefon jong kinong khmat ki menteri Sorkar pedeng ki he sipai ki he Sorkar ya dari ki dikhat kaliang Pyrshah ki muktiar kinong ilam seng bhalang ber kinong thokot kubor hakabai de bakani uzenet sang maula ong bakani ka jingle jok Sorkar ka penpau sha ya ka jinglong arsap jong ka BJP udukhat ka yeng dorbar thau an ka Meghalaya ulaong baladon ka jingmi khubor ka jingpindon kam ekikor ki bor sentai spyware Pegasus ban sentai iki jinglong jingman bat ka jingjit nong mikmach ka yeng dorbar parliament hakasnem hajar ka khandai ulaong ru baladon ka jingdi ekikor ki bor spyware bat ki we ki mar NSO tang shaka Sorkar pedeng uni nong mikman ulaong baka Kongres ka dawa badai bandon ka kenhun tokit halor kani ka kenhun kinong bishar ya ka ba enpet dak yeng bishar ka bahakli do jongkari.
The news report about the snooping and hacking of cell phones through Pegasus has given illegal access to the entire conversations, passwords, contact lists, text messages, and live voice calls of India's security apparatus, different individuals like union ministers and opposition leaders, including paramilitary chiefs and the Supreme Court judges, is really very shocking to the entire nation. The spyware Pegasus is able to turn over the phone's camera and microphone to capture all activities in the vicinity of the phone. Thus, snooping through alleged Israeli technology Pegasus on the citizens is treasonous and unconstitutional, violating the fundamental rights to privacy. See, this kind of operation or this technology, the website of the NSO group and its products are exclusive sold to the government only. So those who are in the helm of affairs, in the party which is in power at the center, obviously will be responsible to this. See, here so many things might have been happened. So number one, encroaching into the privacy of any individual is a violation of fundamental rights to privacy. And when even the higher level officials from the defense forces, political bosses, even the oppositions are being targeted through this technology. So it's also threatening to the security of the nation as well. We never know. Maybe one or two might have been targeted because the entire list is not with us. So when this kind of modus operandi is found, then we can always assume that the prominent leaders from any state across the country may be targeted.